Hi, this is Alex from Pandectes. How does the new Microsoft consent mode work? What signals does Microsoft expect in order to know when to allow tracking and when not to allow tracking? Let me explain everything in this video. Microsoft has followed suit with Google and have implemented a very similar system to theirs. It's relatively new and actually much simpler than Google Consent Mode v2, as there is only one signal that needs to be passed to the UET queue, which is to Microsoft what the data layer is to Google. After this signal, the add storage is sent to granted, then the UET tag can actually track visitors. At first, it has to be sent as denied on every page load and updated according to regional regulations or user consent if explicit consent is required. How you can know if the consent signal is being set correctly? Well, Microsoft has an extension that you can add to your browser called UET Tag Helper. There, you will have to check the ASC field, which is the field that dictates whether consent is granted. It can take two values, D or G, denied or granted accordingly. One final note, just by sending the consent signals to the UET queue does not mean that cookies are not firing. There are some cookies from Microsoft that fire prior to consent, but it is not known if they are actually sending data to Microsoft and if that is GDPR compliant. So Microsoft gives the option to block those cookies, and that can happen if this cookie is set to 1. All of this is already integrated in the Pandectes GDPR compliance app for Shopify, and the setup is as hard as checking a switch.